Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how you can buy Kishu Inu on your desktop and on your mobile. So yes, we will covering the both of the aspects of buying Kishu Inu on desktop and on mobile. So let's start the video. But before starting, make sure to subscribe this channel, hit that like button so that many people can see this video and they can buy Kishu Inu as well. So let's start the video. You can see I am onto my computer screen and the current price you can see on the screen is 8 zeros followed by 4294 and it has increased by 2%. Yeah, it's that boring stuff, but yeah, we are going to see how you can buy actually Kishu Inu. And you can see there are some exchanges. You can see it is an Ethereum based coin. What the problem of Ethereum based coins is that they have a very high transaction fees. If you buy for $200, you'll only get for like maybe $20, maybe $50 if you buy on the Uniswap thing, if you buy with the help of Ethereum. But if you buy with the help of USDT, if you buy it on some exchange, you will get, if you buy for $200, you will get for $199, only $1 or maybe 10 cents of the fees. So that's a really positive sign. So yes, I have given link of a Gate.io. So yeah, we are going to buy with the help of Gate.io so that we don't have any transaction fees. We will skip that gas fees and that will be awesome. Like if we buy for $100, we'll almost get for the $100, not for the $30 more, not for the $20. So that's a positive sign. So yeah, there is its website Gate.io. I have given link of this exchange in description. If you sign up with my link, what benefit you will get? You will get $50 additional in your account once you deposit $150 in your account of Gate.io. So yes, once you click my link in description, I will also pin that in comment section. You need to click on sign up. If you don't have an account, you need to fill up your name, email and all that stuff and just create an account. After you log into your account, then there is a search option. You need to search Kishu Kishu USDT, and you can see I have read yes. You can see here is the chart and here is that all stuff as well. And you can see once you log in, there will be option of buy and there is option of sell. When you want to sell, you can sell as well. And here you can type the amount of USDTs. For example, I type for $100 and it will be automatically updated if I have $100 in my account once I log in. So yes, with the help of this procedure, you can buy Kishu Inu. That is a really positive sign. That is really helpful for all the people. So yes, make sure to smash that like button. Now let's go towards the mobile thing as well. I have showed you on the computer screen, on the desktop screen. So now it's time for the mobile buy-in. Once you have created your account, I have given link of Gate.io in description. You will get a bonus for that as well. So once you create your account on the Gate.io from my link, then you need to log into the application of the Gate.io, whether from the Play Store if you are Android and from the App Store if you are on the iOS. So once you log in, then you need to click on the trade and then you need to just search here. Just click on this one, the pair. You need to just click on this and obviously it will show you. It is taking some time, and yeah, you need to search Kishu USDT, and yes, here it is. And you can type the number of USDTs which you from which you want to purchase. You can purchase from $10 to like $1,000, $100,000. So let me type $100 and you will see this much amount of Kishu Inu I will get. I will just click on the buy button. But yeah, first you need to have some USDT in your account. You can buy USDT with the help of credit debit card and P2P section as well. So yeah, you can see some tutorials regarding that as well, that how you can get the USDTs, and you can transfer from any other exchanges to this to this Gate.io exchange as well, so that you can buy your Kishu Inu. And so yeah, once it will be listed on Binance, we are going to see some huge price in this coin as well. So that's really positive sign for all the Kishu Inu holders. So that is why I am recommending that yeah, you can use the Gate.io, because on Ethereum network there is very high fee. If you like for buy for $200, you will only get for like maybe $50, $60. But if you buy on Gate.io, you will get, if you buy for $200, you will get like $199 worth of Kishu Inu on this, because there is very little transaction fees. But on Ethereum network, it's like almost $100, $150 of the transaction fees sometimes. So yeah, this was the video. See you next time. Bye.